Okay, hi guys, Squeaky Breaks here. Now, you know that I promised you a exhaust video, so this is my exhaust video. I'll just run through what the bike is and what the exhaust is, and then we'll get a little bit of a sound blast for you guys. Okay, so the bike is, it's a Honda CBR 600F 2003 fuel injection model. Goes like stink. Mine's restricted, but that restriction's coming off quite shortly, which I can't wait for, so that'll be amazing. Right, standard exhaust was a bit too big for me, and just didn't sound absolutely amazing. So, I've decided to get this instead. Now, it's a Beowulf round stainless exhaust. It's a lot smaller, not as bulky, looking a bit sportier, and I'm just overall really pleased with it. So I've got the baffle in at the minute. In all honesty, there's hardly any difference between the baffle in and the baffle out, but I'm overall happy with it. Because I'm up early mornings, I don't want to wake up the street too much. As long as I get people moaning at how loud it is, then I'm happy. Right, so I'll give you a quick sound check. Okay, got my keys, so let's start her up. You might not be able to hear too much at the minute, but I don't think it's too much of a cold start. No, it's not a cold start. Let's get the mic up to it so you can hear it properly. Alright, this is with the baffle in, so let's give it some revs. That does sound pretty beefy to me, so I don't know if the mic's giving it too much justice. But that's with the baffle in. Let's take the baffle out and see how she sounds. Simple, quick job. Baffles out. Straight through pipe. Looking gorgeous. Right. Now, don't expect too much. But this is without the baffle. It's a lot more low end. There's not much noise difference, but it's how I prefer it. Let's have a listen. I'll give it some revs. Okay, now that's your Beowulf stainless round exhaust on your Honda CBR 600F 2003. Hope you like it, guys.